Hey guys, so I don't know about you, but eggs are like one of my favorite foods. I love them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Today, I am going to try and make a poached egg. Poached eggs are something that I used to make. I got on like a big poached egg kick several years ago, and I made them like crazy for a long while. But it's been actually several years since I've made a poached egg, and one of my friends asked me to make a video on poached eggs, and I'm like, I should practice that. But that's not like who I am. Like, practice, whatever. So we're gonna dive in and see how well my memory does and attempt to make a poached egg. So let's get over there. So one of the most important parts is making sure that you get your water temperature to the right temperature. So that's gonna be about 185 degrees. And what that looks like is a bare simmer. So I've got a couple of little bubbles, but just a shimmer. We don't have a bunch of boiling bubbles popping up at the surface of the water, okay? My knob is set to medium. Then we're gonna add just a little bit of vinegar. That's gonna help your egg whites set. I'm using a rice wine vinegar just because it's very mild. You can use white wine. If you want a little extra flavor, you can use a red wine vinegar. So just like a tablespoon will do, yeah. The fresher the eggs, the better. These are probably been sitting in my refrigerator for a week, so we'll see. It's best if you can go ahead and crack them in a ramekin first. So I'm gonna do 2 for my lunch today. So I've got this ramekin and I'm going to very, very gently lower it to the edge of the water. Yay. And I'm gonna do that for the second one. Just gently lower it in, and now I'm gonna set a timer for 5 minutes. I'm going to cover my pot, and turn off the heat. And then we'll check back in 5 minutes and see if we did good.
This is what the eggs look like as they are steaming. There's no flame, but the lid helps keep the heat in the skillet.
All right, my timer is about to go off. I've got a slotted spoon, so we're about to check on these eggs. So open away from you so the steam doesn't get you in the face. That's always important to remember. So I prepared a piece of sourdough toast with some ham, and I toasted provolone cheese and covered it with sprouts. A lot of people like to eat poached eggs on top of a salad. So we're going to gently lift it up. I've got a slotted spoon so that way I can, oh, I lost some of my egg white. I want to try to drain off as much of the water as I possibly can. Hey, it looks really good. I'm impressed. I mean, it's probably been 5 years or more since I've done one. The real test is when we'll cut it open and see how the egg yolk looks. Woo! That one almost slid right off the toast here. Let me scoot you back over. Oh, the egg whites feel really firm. I made a quick sauce that's just mayonnaise, sriracha, and a little bit of lime juice, just because I thought it would sound good. Typically a lot of people will use a hollandaise sauce, but this is faster and pretty tasty, I think. Oh, I'm pouring it on here and it's not even on the screen. All right, now let's cut into it and see. All right. Look at that, guys. Look at those perfect, creamy, awesome egg yolks. I want to take a moment to say thank you so much for watching this video and cooking these poached eggs with me. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button. Come on, right now. Thank you. And also tap the subscribe so that you can see more fun cooking adventures with me in my crazy kitchen. Till the next video, bye guys.